Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am going to tell you about how to fix control center not showing problem in your Samsung smartphone. So how you can fix this problem. So first it is a bug or a glitch, so that's why it is not showing. So first friends, you have to open your settings of your smartphone. Click on application. Here you have to write Google Play Services. Click on storage and you have to just clear cache and clear the data. Then friends, press again back. Click on search. Here you have to write here Android, and if it is there showing Android setting, you can just clear cache this also, and this will fix your control center not showing problem. If this is not solving your problem, then you have to restart your device, or if there is any software update, you have to do a software update. It will fix your problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.